Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth, which is my essential oil box. So on top there are a bunch of labels for the products that there are recipes for in the box, which I love. And then you get several recipe cards. So the first recipe is a hydrating body spray. They're always really simple, easy to make. And on the back of the card, it either continues the recipe or it tells you about the company or other things in the box. The next one is a cleansing foot soak. So that's Epsom salt, coconut oil, and autumn air essential oil blend. I bet that smells really good. And eucalyptus oil. On the back of that card, it talks about the month's charity. So every month, 13% of their proceeds go to a different charity, and on the back of one of the cards, you can read about it. Very, very cool. It's fall, y'all. So this is probably their diffuser blend, which I love. A note from Katie. So this is a toxin-free version of a DIY spa day in this box. The best natural lotion recipe. Then we have a muscle soothing roll-on. Sneak peek at the November box. Tells you what you'll get. The theme is light it up, so you get some candle themed recipes. And an exfoliating body polish. And this is the October box. So it gives you all of the essential oils, if they're safe for kids, pets, pregnancies. Lots of information on here. And then some of the extra stuff that you will need that doesn't come in your bonus box, or you may have ran out of, is a spray bottle, emulsifying wax. There's also vegetable glycerin on the side. And then your 4 essential oils. I can get them out of there. We have eucalyptus, mandarin. That seems to be in a lot of the recipes. That one smells really good. Autumn air. So let's see what's in there. That one has lemon, orange, balsam fir, hoe wood, cassia, essential oils. But that smells really nice. And the last one is Breathe Easy, which has fir needle, cedarwood, frankincense, and myrrh essential oils. Very cool. So if you guys would like to join, sign up for a subscription. I'll have all the information below and a promo code where you can get a gift card. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.